Cool. Hello, everyone. Today is March 19th, and we are in week 10 of the 1.33 Kubernetes release cycle. My name is Daniel, and I'm happy to be hosting the release team meeting for this week. So as always, please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be excellent to one another. This meeting is recorded and will exist in what feels like perpetuity on YouTube. So be mindful of what you say. Let me start sharing my screen and we can get going. Cool. So first thing we have here is open discussion. We did have a bit of discussion this morning about having a APAC time zone release team retro. I think those discussions are still ongoing. So we'll kind of post as those updates come along. Did anybody else have any open discussion items? If not, we can go ahead with the team updates. So enhancements is up first. Depesh, would you like to give us the update?
Yeah, sure, I can do. So the current status for us this week is green. So in less than 2 days, we are going to have code freeze. So out of the 78 caps that we are tracking, 40 are tracked for code freeze. There are still 38 that are at risk, but I see there are PRs that are going through approvals and review. Hopefully that number should come down by the deadline. So we have made an additional reach out to all the caps, reminding them of the imminent code freeze this week. And I have sent out the invites for the code freeze party to the respective recipients. Feel free to join from that link, and I'll post that link in the SIG release channel closer to the meeting. That's it in terms of update I had.
Cool. Thanks, Depesh. Does anybody have any questions for enhancements? If not, we can go over to release signal. Sean, would you like to give the update?
Yep. Hey, everyone. Sorry, I'm not super prepared, but I believe we're currently reporting red. There were 3 failing tests. There is just 1 left. So things are moving, but we're tracking that one. Eli, I see you're on the call. If you have any additional details, feel free to add to that. But if you go to the CI signal board, you can see the issues there that are linked. That's all.
Cool.
Also, we did send out second reminders to issues and PRs that are being tracked for 1.33. So everyone has had the final reminder leading up to code freeze. We'll be keeping an eye on those as well.
Cool. Thanks, John. Did anybody have any questions or comments for release signal?
Just one question since it's red. Are scalability already aware and have been asked for this? Are there any discussions already? Because I saw them give a green update like later in the document for this meeting, but the red here with the green later is a bit conflicting information. That's my...
Sorry.
Yeah, it looks like they are
Go ahead.
based on the comment that they made on the issue. They're investigating it.
I think this is already reported. I think there's also like an ongoing investigation with this regard. So we're like trying to push to have like a confirmation on this, but status at the moment is like investigating.
Cool. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks, everyone. Are there any final questions for release signal? If not, we can move over to docs. Shadrach, would you like to give the update?
Yeah, sure. Hi everybody. So the branch sync PR for this week has been merged, and we've also opened release notes PR for beta 0, and we are currently getting final reviews from other leads. Our current status is green. Next up, the PR ready review for docs the deadline is next week. Actually on Tuesday, 25th of March specifically. So we've started sending out reminders to all the open or tracked docs PR for this release. That's our current update.
Cool. Thanks, Shadrach. Anybody have any questions for Docs? If not, we can move on to comms. Sneha, did you have any updates for this?
Yeah, hello everyone. So our current status is green. We have an issue open where you can find our current progress so far. And we are tracking 20 feature blocks that have opted in. We will have another round of release highlights chased this week, for which the deadline is next week, that is 25th March, Tuesday. And the mid-cycle sneak peek PR is also ready for review. So we are on track to publish this on Monday, 24th. And yep, that's all from comms. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Are there any questions for comms? If not, release branch management. So I see Matteo on the call. Did you have any updates on this?
Yes, hi everyone. Code Freeze PR has been opened and approved, so it's ready to be in effect when Code Freeze is due. You can take a look, but it's mostly for the release leads to just unhold it. And the next cut is scheduled on the 8th of April, right after KubeCon. Like the week after KubeCon.
Perfect. Thanks, Matteo. Any questions for release branch management? If not, I'll hand things over to our emeritus advisor, Angelos.
Yes, hello everyone. No big updates from me, just that the retro is after this meeting. Please feel free to join if you are able to. It's always a great meeting. Yeah, that's all.
Thanks, Angelos. Nina, do you have anything for us?
Yep. Just reiterating things that people have already updated. So the retro, please add items. It's going to be after this meeting in about 40 minutes. And then code freeze is the big thing this week. So I sent a reminder email to the listserv, and as some of the subteams already have given their updates, they're working to that. So there's a code freeze party, I think, scheduled for Thursday that the invite's already been sent out for. So.
Perfect. Thanks, Nina. Okay, and last team here is Stake Scalability. Not sure if anybody is online from them, but their status is green. Okay, is there anything else that we haven't covered in the meeting that we'd like to discuss? If not, I'll stop the recording. So everybody say goodbye to YouTube. We'll see you next week.